Hello， 今天要来跟大家分享5个邮轮旅游的英文单字 Part 2。每一个单字呢都有附上一个英文例句。Let's go. Number 6. Shore excursion. Shore excursion. 岸上观光。Excursion 指的就是短程的旅行。We booked a short excursion to visit the ancient ruins. We booked a short excursion to visit the ancient ruins. Number 7, captain. Captain, 船长。The captain announced that we will encounter rough seas. The captain announced that we will encounter rough seas. Number 8, crew. Crew, 船员。The crew members are always friendly and helpful. The crew members are always friendly and helpful. Number 9, boarding pass. Boarding pass, 登船证。Make sure to bring your boarding pass and passport. Make sure to bring your boarding pass and passport. Number 10, lifeboat. Lifeboat, 救生艇。We had a drill to practice how to board the lifeboats. We had a drill to practice how to board the lifeboats. 第6个到第10个的单字就到这边咯，下次见啦 ！See you next time， 拜拜。